Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to cook Bengal Tiger Pakora. Now here we go. Tama yan, ganyan lang yung magluto. Tignan mo si Uncle luto-luto na yan pala ang itsura ng Bengal Tiger pag niluto. Crispy. Ayun crispy yung katawan parang bungo. Ayan pakora flip. Sarap mo piya. So ganyan lang pala yung tansyahan yan. Isang kutsara lang. Tapos yun, nadali mo totoy. So yan, ganyan lang siya lutuin. Sobrang basic. Ito na yung finished product niya guys. Thank you very much. Eat well.